We are pleased to introduce our new product demonstration and test field. Constructed at our plant in centrally located Missouri, this facility is conveniently accessible to crews around the country. This product demonstration day allowed us to show many of the options, functions, and provided time for back and forth questions and answers. Looking at present and future partnerships and realizing the need for further testing, sales team training, and enhanced customer visits, we made the decision to invest in this demo field and are thankful we did. Designed to allow for as many real-world setups and scenarios as possible, we can test and demonstrate the operation and functionality of our products. Utilizing the demo field's diverse pulling setup configurations, our product specialist teams can show our underground and overhead pullers, bull wheel tensioners, and a variety of self-loading and turret cable reel trailers. Built with a system of utility poles and multiple underground conduit runs, provides for practical demonstrations. Also included is a mock manhole wall and a variety of pulpit setup options. When we get a call, sometimes the customer knows exactly what they want, but in most cases, there are a lot of questions. We will help you get into the most practical and economically responsible product to meet your job requirements. Our design and sales teams are just down-to-earth guys, and probably like you, just want to get the job done. We want to come alongside you, reducing as much stress as possible. Although in business for over 50 years, we continue to learn and grow with the industry, listening to you, making improvements, and developing better equipment. New to Brooks Products or an existing customer? Either way, we look forward to hearing about your upcoming needs. If you have a live job in the field, we are happy to come to you. But if not, experience your next piece of equipment at our demo test facility, hands-on, so you can make the best decision for your team and crews. Schedule a visit today at 866-462-7665. We will make you feel at home, show you our product, and have a good time doing it.